Okay, so now that we have sawn out this section, what we're going to do is we're just going to curve our edges very slightly. Now please make sure that you do your drilling first. I'm just doing this slightly back to front, okay? And what you want to do here is you just very slightly want to curve your corners just to make this nice and safe. We're going to use the file for this, and when we're using the file we want to use a rocking motion. So the file is going to go backwards and forwards like that to make sure that we get a nice curve on here. I'm just going to turn this very slightly so that I've got an angle sticking up. And remember what I said, we're going over and curving that like that. Okay, so we're working in an arc motion. So all I'm going to do, 2 fingers on the end of the file, my handle in my hand on the other side, and then I'm just curving that. So taking that across, lifting it up and off, taking it across, lifting it up and off. And we just want a very slight curve on there just to make sure this is nice and safe when it's in our pockets or our bags or whatever, to make sure it doesn't scratch our phones. Just curving that off nicely like that, and then turning it round so that you can do your other corners. So notice that I'm not doing a backwards and forwards motion. The teeth only cut in one direction, so I'm just going forward, lifting it up and off, forward, lifting it up and off. And you want to do that on all 4 corners. I've not yet drilled my hole, so I'm not going to do this corner yet. You want to do that, and then you can get a wee bit of sandpaper and sand that all off.